Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for chicken pot pie with cream of chicken soup. For this recipe, you'll need rotisserie chicken, refrigerated pie crusts, frozen vegetable seasoning mix, frozen mixed vegetables, cream of chicken and herb soup, Italian seasoning, dried rosemary, dried savory, heavy cream, and chicken stock. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cubing the chicken breast, then setting the chicken aside. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, chicken stock, and seasonings until thoroughly combined. Next, whisk in the cream of chicken and herb soup, and then stir in the frozen vegetable mix, vegetable seasoning mix, and cubed chicken. Let everything sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to melt. Just a quick reminder before we continue with the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Place one of the pie crusts in a 9-inch cast iron skillet or pie pan. Pour the creamy chicken filling into the crust, spreading it evenly. Then lay the second pie crust on top, crimp the edges, and cut slits in the center to allow steam to escape. Whisk the egg and milk together, then brush it over the top crust to give it that perfect golden finish. Bake the chicken pot pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your homemade chicken pot pie turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.